The 2025 Renault Captur City SUV has actually been given a renovation nearly 5 years after the current design was unveiled, ahead of Australian showroom arrivals between January and March following year. The update for Renault's tiniest SUV in Australia brings a restyled front fascia, brand new wheels and colors, updated indoor innovation and brand new safety and security features. Australian arrivals are due to start in very early 2025. Details of the neighborhood Captur version variety are yet to be announced. However, the present model is offered in 4 variations powered by a 1.3-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine without hybrid modern technology. The facelift brings the Captur according to the look of Renault's latest versions, including the breathtaking and Megane electrical automobiles, with a hint of Peugeot in the headlights, most likely thanks to chief developer Gilles Vidal, that led Peugeot design for 1 decade before joining Renault in 2020. Other design adjustments consist of new clear taillight real estates, a restyled back bumper, new 17 and 18-inch alloy wheel layouts, and the choice of an Esprit Alpine variant with a different front bumper, black highlights and unique 19-inch wheels. Inside, the Captur obtains a larger 10.4-inch portrait infomercial touchscreen, up from 9.3 inches, running Renault's most recent Android-based OpenR Web Link software program, with wireless/wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, in addition to integrated Google apps such as Maps. A 10.25-inch electronic instrument cluster remains offered, while a 9-speaker Harman Kardon sound system is currently an alternative, as well as 2 brand new, welcome noises created by French composer Jean-Michel Jarre. New furniture styles are included, relying on the model, with textile seats, blue/gray control panel inserts, blue comparison sewing, aluminium pedals and French flag describing in the Esprit Alpine, which is anticipated to replace the RS line. Renault claims leather upholstery has actually been changed with grained cover product, as it plans for none of its cars and trucks to include animal-derived products by 2025, while the seat trims in all versions utilize recycled materials. Fitted to the left of the guiding wheel is the My Safety switch, a shortcut which lets chauffeurs activate their favorite setups, on or off, for 5 of the Auto's advanced safety features with the press of a switch. Carryover security technology includes autonomous emergency braking, lane keep help, blind spot monitoring, back cross-traffic alert, door exit caution and front, rear and side auto parking sensing units. The 2025 Renault Captur schedules in Australian showrooms in between January and March next year.